Hello students. Today we are going to do brainstorming activities from the topic Voyaging Towards Excellence. Look at these activities. Activity A2. First, read the text again and make a list of great Indian and foreign personalities who had a great impact on Achyut Godbole during his childhood. One is done for you. Poets विंदा करंदीकर, then मंगेश पाडगावकर, वसंत बापट, केशव सूद. Writers Charles Dickens, Thomas Hardy, Mardekar. Then musicians Mozart, पंडित भीमसेन जोशी, पंडित जसराज, पंडित कुमार गंधर्व. The dramatist, of course, Shakespeare. Then painters Michelangelo, Van Gogh. And here find different techniques used by the writer to learn science and mathematics. One is done for you. The writer used to appreciate the inherent beauty of these subjects. Next could be he found Newton's law of motion beautiful. Then he loved to solve problems in mathematics. Then he used to enjoy the most elegant method of solving them. Next activity, the writer faced numerous problems while communicating in English because he had his entire education in Marathi. Another reason could be his vocabulary was weak and pronunciation was terrible. Then his construction of sentences was very awkward. The writer was completely stumped because his vocabulary was very weak. Spoken English was quite pathetic. Pronunciation was terrible. Construction of sentences was very awkward. Now read the text again and complete the sentence. Due to the writer's pathetic English speaking style, he felt quite lonely and terrified in Mumbai in general and in IIT particular. Then he developed an inferiority complex. He felt depressed and diffident. Then complete the following sentences. The writer wanted to achieve mastery in English because he wanted to speak excellent, elegant, and fluent English. He will be able to achieve excellence and excel in anything. He need not have to feel afraid of anybody and start feeling at home in his hostel. Make a list of different steps that the writer undertook to improve his English speaking skills. He decided to think in English before he started speaking in English. Then what did he do? He started reading English newspapers and English novels. Then he studied etymology and phonetics to improve English. Again, read the text again and describe the writer's achievements after achieving mastery over the English language. His fear for English disappeared. Then what happened? He felt quite confident about speaking English. Then he started feeling at home in his hostel. He could give presentation with ease. Then go to the text again and complete the table comparing two different phases of life, the writer as an MD or chief executive officer and an activist of Sarvodaya movement. MD or chief executive and then activist of Sarvodaya movement. One is done for us. Head of the company for 23 years and here he participated in peaceful satyagraha. Then he traveled all over the globe. joined social movement for tribals, then wrote 4 books on IIT, went to jail for 10 days. Now here complete the web highlighting various opportunities you gain due to your good English speaking skills. First is done for us, always selected for debate competitions. Then selected to read school or college reports on annual day. Then chosen to compare programs in schools. Then appointed as secretary of school literary society. Now we have to fill in the blank selecting the correct phrase from the alternatives given. One is done for you. These are the phrases. By the end of the week, she was beginning to feel at home in her new job. Then among these phrases we have to select each, that is one phrase for each sentence. When he lost his mother, he was completely broken. Here be broken, be means was is already there. Traveling can help to broaden your horizon. After my retirement, I started my second inning as a social worker. Having faith in God, one keep going in difficult situation. To succeed in any competitive examination, one requires a sea of knowledge. The simple village girl felt out of place in a formal party. The work done by Sindhutai Sapkal touched the hearts of millions. The teacher spoke at length explaining the concept, and the speaker was completely stumped by the intelligent questions asked by the audience. Here, primary auxiliaries be, have, and do, which occur most commonly and can also be used as a main verb in a clause. Go through the sentences given below and say whether the verbs are main verbs or primary auxiliary verbs. I had very simple upbringing. Here had is a verb, whether it is main verb or auxiliary verb. Of course, there is only one verb in the sentence, so it is main verb. The next is was, that is I was immensely impressed. Again here only one verb is there, so it is primary auxiliary. Then next, had, I had learned from my childhood that money did not win everything in life. Had is the only verb in the sentence, so it is primary auxiliary. Here learnt is also there, so had is primary auxiliary, learnt is main verb. He was a convent educated guy. Was is the only verb, so main verb. They did all the work in time. Did is the only verb, so it is a main verb. The next, had, I had to achieve a lot in life. Of course, this is main verb. Thanks for watching. Let's meet soon. Let us stop.